Hi there, and welcome to another IronWorks Brewing video. Today we're going to keg and bottle a few of the dry stout. So we brewed this dry stout on the 2nd of October. 19th we tested it a couple of times, but and there's a pill in there as well, but it managed to get down to 10.08, so pretty good. I'm just about to start prepping up for dropping this out. A couple of 3 days ago I did add some the Browsol, which comes with the malt miller kit. I've already had a couple of tastes of it. It's very rich, and it has definitely got that dry finish to it. So already, so I've got my keg sanitizing and cleaning over there, but I'm just going to give this everything a good old, anything that's touching, like that, and then see where we get to. I've got my hoses, my transfer hoses, I've got everything set up. I've got a few bottles done, but just in case. I think the keg is 19 litre keg, so I'll probably get half a dozen bottles out of this. I think it was just under the 23 from memory, so half a dozen bottles possibly once we've done the transfer. I'm going to try, in the bottles I'm going to go for a like a traditional bottled version. I'm going to just use the carbonation drops and just whack those in there. They seem to work really well, but I'm actually going to use the 70-30 nitrogen mix to carbonate this one, which I'll show you in a sec. Okay then, so we're just about up there. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top. That'll allow me to get the gas in, and then we'll gas it over the next few days and give it a try. I've got some bottles set up. I've got half a dozen bottles. I've got my cap set up. They've been all cleaned and chem sand, all in readiness, so we're good to go. I'm going to just close this one off now, put the lid on and seal it, get rid of any air. I'll purge it with some CO2 to start with, and then I'll connect it up into the fridge onto the 70-30 mix. Okay, so we've got this lid. It's been cleaned and sanitized. I'm just about to pop this onto the top of here. It's got some chem sand on it. Okay, that's the O-ring on, just slides on the side. Some people put a little bit of silicone lube on just to help it sealing. It also makes them last a bit longer. But this one's pretty much a new one. I've only used it twice and it feels pretty good. So basically, let's go into there. That presses down, and that's it. We will purge that now with some CO2 into the gas port, and then we'll stick it in the fridge and start to get some 70-30 in. Right, okay, catch you in a bit. I'm just going to do the same with some bottles now. I'm going to top those up. I've got some carbonation drops that I'm going to use to actually carbonate the bottles, and that's pretty much done. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. There's all sorts of stuff going off here. We've been doing wine today as well as, and so that'll be on another video coming up soon. Because there's quite a number of stages involved in the wine making process, and yeah, so if you do enjoy it, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone. Okay then, and there's the 6 bottles of dry stout. We'll stick those in a warm place, probably on the back of the fridge just here, and we'll give them a try in a couple of weeks' time.